How to recover Facebook account. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you're facing problem on your Facebook account and you would like to recover your Facebook account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your very mobile device, and in the search icon, you have to search recover my Facebook account. Now after you tap on recover my Facebook account, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of help center like this. After you tap on the option of the help center, you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, now what you have to do is you can learn the very steps as shown here and you can just follow it. Otherwise, you can also go to the option of having trouble finding the account. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go back once again and you can also recover your Facebook account by confirming your phone number by tapping on the option of facebook.com login identity and entering your very kind of phone number here, for example, the very phone number. And after you tap on the very phone number and go to the option on the search, now you can see the various kind of the accounts that are present with the number. You can just tap on the very account that is yours, and after you tap on that, the very code will be sent to your very email there or the very number that you just handled it here, and this way you can just recover your account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.